Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit. I am architect Sonorai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you how to create a door legend in Revit. So for creating a door legend, you can go to your view tab here, and you can go to legend, and you can select here legend, and you can create a new legend view. You can name this also, and you can select the scale. So you can select various scale, and you can change it later on also, and you can create a legend view in your project browser also. So if you go down here, and if you look for legends here, you can see here already I have created door legends and some symbols and text and dimensions. So I'm going to show you how to create. So I will select from here only. I will click I will right click here, and I will go to a new legend here, and you can create legend from here also, and you can go to your view tab and create a legend from here also. So I'm going to name this as door legend new. So already I have created, so I'm going to rename this as a new, and I will keep this same scale, and I will click OK, and you can see here this is blank and we are not able to see anything. So I'm going to my annotate tab, and you can select this component, and in component you can see detail component, repeating detail component, and legend component. So I'm going to select legend component here, and you can see this symbol here. So this is for exhaust grill, so this will come by default, so you can change it later on. So I'm going to first this family here, air terminal. So this is air terminal, and now I'm going to select this arrow here, and we'll look for door here. So I'm coming down here. So these are the types of door which I have used in this project. So suppose I'm going to first select this doors here, Aluprof MB59, and now it will be this sliding door here. You can see this is 6 panel sliding door. So I'm going to paste it here, and now I'm going to copy this, and I'll keep this to right here. I will make another copy, and now if I'm going to select this, you can see here this is the view, and now we are in your floor plan view of your door here, and you can see, select elevation front also, and elevation back also. And so I'm going to select this here. This is the host length 3 feet. So I'm going to select elevation for the second here. So this is the your second your sliding door view here. So we can see here this is the sliding door, and there is some problem in this model. So I'm going to change this. So I'm going to select this door exterior double to light, and this is our plan view, and we'll delete this here. And now I'm going to copy this here next to it, and again I'm going to select this door, and I will go to elevation front view. So this is the elevation of this door. So likewise you can select this, and you can create a table. So you can use detail line. So I'm going to select this rectangle here, and now you can create another line here, and now you can create a table here, and on the top of this I'm going to insert a text here. So I'm going to use door legend here. So this is coming very small, so I will change this letter. So this is door legend, and you can see here this is the door legend, but this is very small. So I'm going to select another text here. So I'm going to select this one. So this is door legend, and I will copy here. This is, I will rename this as a plan view, and now I will again copy this here, I will rename this as a elevation view. So likewise I'm going to again use detail line, and I will create some boxes here. So we can measure this here. This is 15 feet as per a scale, so I'm going to offset this, and I will offset this as a 15 feet here. And now we can create some more types here. You can drag this a bit here. So now again you can copy this here. You can copy this door here, and now again this is door exterior double, so we can change to another door here. So I'm going to use double flush, and now I'm going to copy this here, and we'll change this to elevation front. So this is our first door, and now again you can copy this door here, bring it to third row, and change to other door type here. So I'm going to change this to vision light 30 inch, and I will copy this, and I will change this to elevation front. Again I will copy this door and bring this here. Can change this type again, and you can select any other door. I have used many doors, so you can do this, and I will use rectangular standard. So this is duct, so door is here. So this is garage door, and I am going to copy this here, and I'm going to elevation front. So this is our garage door. You can bring this here, and again you can copy this door here and bring this to last row here, and you can change this to any other door. So I'm going to change this to Galleon S9000. So this is the door which I have downloaded from external source, and you can copy this, and you can change this to elevation front and bring this here. So likewise you can create n number of doors which you have used in your project, and you can do the annotations of this door. So you can tag this is 10 feet door, and use the dimensioning method, and you can measure this. So this is 6 feet, and again likewise you can do the dimensioning. So likewise you can measure all the doors, and after finishing you can save this, and you can use in your sheets here. So you can go to your sheets, any of your sheets. So suppose I am going to this site here, and I am going to architectural floor plan. So suppose this is our floor plan, and I want to use this door legend. So I will go to door legend new, and I will drag and drop there, and you can create a door legend view. So this is in bigger scale, so we will change the scale here. So I'm going to change this to 3/16 to 1 feet, and we'll see here. So now you can move this here, and you can hide this, or you can do this setting here, and you can hide this. So extension line, click OK, apply, So you can simply bring this here. So this is door legend 3 by 16 inch. This is the scale, and you can make this seat composition like this, or whatever you feel that is suitable for your project. So this was the tutorial about door legend. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.